In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam slow disk usage. If your downloads crawl or installs get stuck with tiny write speeds, a couple of quick resets in Steam and a simple cleanup in Windows can usually get things moving again without touching your games. Start in the Steam desktop client. Open the Steam menu in the top left, go to Settings, and choose Downloads. Here, click Clear Download Cache. This wipes temporary download data that can become bloated or corrupted over time and slow down disk activity during installs. It won't uninstall your games or remove your library folders. After you confirm, Steam will restart and you may need to sign in again. Clearing the cache also refreshes your connection to content servers, which often resolves sluggish or stuck writes. While you're in the download settings, check your download region. Steam tries to pick a nearby server automatically, but it isn't always the least congested one. Switch to a region that's geographically close to you, or try another nearby option if speeds have been inconsistent. Choosing a better region can reduce server-side bottlenecks, so your drive isn't starved of data during downloads and installations. Next, do a quick cleanup of Steam's local cache files in Windows. Open File Explorer from your taskbar or Start menu. In the left pane, select This PC, then open the drive where Steam is installed. On most systems, that's the C drive. Open the Program Files, x86 folder, and then open the Steam folder. Inside, locate the folder named App Cache and delete it. This folder contains temporary configuration and manifest data that Steam recreates automatically the next time it launches. Removing it helps clear out stale entries that can contribute to slow or erratic disk behavior. If Windows reports that a file is in use, make sure the Steam client is fully closed before trying again. Take care to delete only the App Cache folder. You don't need to touch your Steam apps or user data folders. After these cleanups, start Steam normally. It will rebuild its cache quickly, and your downloads and installs should proceed at expected speeds. If you're using a traditional hard drive, some fluctuation is normal compared to an SSD, but you shouldn't see the extreme slowdowns caused by corrupted cache or a congested region. Your games and library locations remain intact throughout this process. That's all there is to it. Clear the download cache, choose a better download region if needed, and delete the app cache folder in the Steam directory. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your downloads back up to speed.